Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about strategies to make money with cryptocurrency. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So let's talk about some smart ways to make money on the cryptocurrency market. You've heard about people making a lot of money with cryptocurrency and you want to give it a try. At first, crypto was meant to be a way to pay anywhere in the world. Now, however, people invest in cryptocurrencies to make money. This is harder than it seems because they don't understand. A lot of people lose money or give up in the middle. The cryptocurrency industry is still young and crypto assets are very volatile on the market. When prices go up, investors get interested in the industry, but when the market crashes, they lose a lot of money. But experienced investors use certain strategies to make money with cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency trading is the most popular way to make money, but it is a very risky way to make money because it is very volatile. But because the market has a lot of room to grow, there are other good ways to make money with cryptocurrency. 1. Investing. The best plan is to invest in cryptocurrencies for the long term. The buy and hold strategy works well with a number of popular cryptocurrencies. Short-term, coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum are risky, but in the long run, they make money. 2. Trading. The volatile cryptocurrency market makes it hard to trade, but it's not impossible. To be a good trader, you need to be good at both thinking about things and doing things. To make accurate predictions about whether the price will go up or down, you will need to look at technical charts of the performance. Depending on whether you think the price will go up or down, you can either take a long position or a short position when you trade. This way, you can make money whether the market is going up or going down. 3. Staking and lending. Staking is a way to own cryptocurrency without being able to spend it. You get crypto coins as a reward for validating cryptocurrency transactions. The crypto wallet will lock up these coins. This method works best with a proof-of-stake blockchain network, which is used by many cryptocurrencies. The reward you get for verifying transactions is like the interest a bank would pay on a credit balance. 4. Social media. Since 2011, a number of companies have started to use blockchain technology. These startups have social media platforms, and many of them pay people with a native crypto coin of that platform for making and creating content for them. 5. Mining. Mining cryptocurrency is a key part of the proof-of-work system. If you take care of a cryptocurrency, you get the new coins. Mining requires technical knowledge and money to buy computers. You need to know how to code and have access to very powerful computers in cold places. 6. Airdrops. Airdrops are when free tokens are given out to spread the word. Airdrops are usually done by crypto exchanges to get more people to use a project. You can buy more cryptocurrencies and trade with them with the tokens you get from airdrops. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.